2 late penalties, 2 late contenders for goal of the season, and 4 goals. Liverpool and Spurs just played out one of the craziest of Premier League games you could hope to watch. Liverpool bossed the first half and led 1-0 through Mo Salah, but Spurs came back into the game in minutes after coming on. Victor Wanyama made it 1-1 with an incredible strike in the 80th minute. Spurs then got a controversial penalty in the 89th minute. There were questions whether there was enough contact and whether Harry Kane was offside. Kane took the spot kick but hit it straight at Karius. Salah then looked to have given the Reds all 3 points with an incredible solo goal in the 91st minute, with no Spurs defender able to get near him in the box before lifting it over Hugo Lloris. But in the 94th minute, Spurs were given a second penalty. The ref waved it off, but the assistant gave it. Kane stepped forward and made it 2-2, scoring his 100th Premier League goal in the process. A match that will live long in the memory